Hello again, everybody. I wanted to address another thing that you're probably going to run into here, and I'm not picking on anybody. I'm really not. I want you guys all to see this because as we start getting into these bigger documents with like big old long lists and stuff, you guys are going to start running into these. So anyway, I'm working on a document here, and like I said, I'm not picking on anybody. I just want to show everybody like how to do this, and that is the proper format for setting up a list. So this is what I have in the list right here. So you notice, remember my little pet peeve about p tags? Well, you know, there they are again, unfortunately. So first thing I would do is just try to get rid of those. Get rid of the p tags. I don't know why it's not selecting them for some reason. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. P background, P background, and P. I think that's a P. Background. Alright. I'm not sure if that one went over correctly. But so I think we're good there. Now, another part of this is that yeah, so as you can see, we have like two separate lists, but they're all clearly one list. So we don't need two separate lists. And also, it kind of looks like they're all falling under one list item. So, I mean, I might even, like you might even need to remove the list from, altogether, because this is one L body, this is another L body, and I'm not sure why it showed up as two, and here's the thing, like sometimes you'll run into these. I ran the Adobe check and it passed a full check, and I mean, so there, like, for some reason it passed, but this is, just a matter of proper formatting. So, I mean, I guess I'm going to background it. I don't want to do that, but I'm not really sure how else to clear it. Like, yeah, I can do that. Alright, I'm going to do that. Yeah, there we go. Let's get rid of the structure altogether. Delete selected item structure. Cool. Alright, so now we have this list that we want to tag. So the first thing that we're probably going to want to do is create a new tag here. And this new tag is going to be a, oh geez, it's supposed to be a, oh yeah, it's a scroll thing. Cool. List. Okay. Now the problem that we have here is that, where did that list go? Okay. Did we find it? My computer's running really slow and I'm not sure why. So, okay, I think we're good. Where is that P? Okay. What's in it? Nothing? Oh, of course not. Alright, so let's put this list up above that P tag. Alright, and this P tag should technically go away, but we'll take care of that later. Alright, so now we got our list tag. And what we're going to want to do is put in here, under this list tag, we want to get some list items, right? So new tag, lists, list item. Okay. So hopefully it shows up under there. Alright, cool. And then I drag it up underneath the list. And now each list item is going to have two things. Very important. New tag. You want a label, not index, no, label. Okay. And that's going to go under the list item. And you also want a new tag. Of course, that goes on the other screen. List item body. Alright. So, I wonder where that... Oh, yeah, there we go. So, we got one overall list. Each list has a list item, or has list items. And list items have labels and list bodies. So now what we want to do here is let's highlight this first thing if we can. Oh geez, you're killing me, Smalls. What's going on here? Oh, it sucks. Oh, fun. Alright. Sometimes you gotta get creative to select these things. Alright, cool. I got it, but I got too much. So I'm gonna try that again. Boom. Got it. And I'm gonna go over here. This is the label. And select it again. Alright, and right click here. Create tag from selection. Boom. Now it's a label. LBL. Okay? And then you click on L body. I really don't know why my computer's going so slow. And now we want to select the entire body. Boom, got it all. And then I want to right click here, select, create tag from selection. Wow. Well, it did all of that, didn't it? Alright, well, at least we got it on one, in one tag. So next, what we'd want to do is create a new list item. So my computer's running real slow now, so I'm not going to go through the whole thing. It might have to do with the fact that I'm recording video at the same time, but I just wanted to show you guys how to go through and create a list, properly formatted list. So basically, I have list selected. Again, I would want to select another list item and put that in there. So list, and underneath my list, I'm going to have my list item, drop it under there, then select the list item, go back in here. What do all list items have? List items have. They have a label, wherever the label is, boom, and they have a new tag, list item body, boom. Okay, so now I'm ready to set up the next one. So I go list item, drop a label in it, and drop a L body in it, and now I have my next list item. So as you can see, this is how it would expand out. These already have content in them. So, and then I also want to be careful that I got it under the right thing here. Let's see, I want it to be under that, but yeah, cool. Yeah, I think it was nested under the list item up there. Is it? No, it's screwed up again. Yeah, boom, nailed it. Yeah, it could be confusing. All right, cool. So that's how I would set it up. And so now I have my list, and for each one I'd have a list item, LBL, L body, and list item, LBL, L body. So if I wanted to do another label, select label, and then this is my label. The reason I bring this up is because the 508 offices hit me in the past for not having the labels correctly tagged. So you right click, create tag from selection. Now you have a label tag. I'm not sure why I did all that, but maybe that's just how it looks right now. Let me select this L body right here. Boom. Selected. Right click, create tag from selection. Boom. Done. So that's how you do it, and then you just keep going down the list. So you set up a list item. For this next one, I would set up another list item and put another label and then another L body, and I would highlight this little bullet and select label, highlight a bullet, right click, and create tag from selection, and then select this whole part. Oh wait, and then select L body. Oh my gosh, it's so slow right now. I'm sorry. And then highlight the L body part, and then right click and create a selection from that. I'm not going to do that because I didn't want to set it up again. But anyway, that's how you do it. Let me know if this makes sense or not. Lists, they are a pain. They're a serious pain, and you know, you'll get it eventually, but it's kind of a pain. You gotta just understand how to set up a list tree correctly, like how it's supposed to nest and everything. List item, LBL, L body, list, LBL, L body. Unlike HTML, there's no like closing tags, so that's you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in Slack.